Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll provide you something about API, what API is, how to deal with API. So, welcome back again. So, what is API? API is nothing but it is a application programming interface. So, uh, how it is used? It is like a middleman between two applications. One, suppose you are going to a restaurant and you want to order some food. So to whom you will contact? You have to contact with the waiter, and waiter will come and ask you about the food what you want to order. After that he will go to the chef and order and cook, and will tell the cook that to make something for you. So here in between we are not directly contact with the chef instead of waiter. So waiter, what is the waiter role? Similar thing will be to the for the API. So API is the middleman. So it's a piece of code that can communicate between the two applications. So we are logged in some page. So you are going to log in Facebook. So here we are giving user ID and password. In the backend, that user ID and password will be matched to the database. If it is matched, then you will log in to your account, and will be able to post some pictures or anything. So all about all these things will be happened in the backend API. So is API is the middleman. Okay, so coming to Postman. What is Postman? Postman is nothing but a like tool to test our codes. So it's a tool basically. It allows communication between client and server. So Postman is nothing but normally a tool. It's lightweight and simple to visualize, helps develop and testing APIs. So supports SOAP and REST API. SOAP API and REST API will come later. So how we will install and update Postman? So for updation, for installation, we have to go this site, go.postman.co/home. After that, it will support like for downloading Postman on Windows. It will support. It will after install downloading, we can go directly to the .exe file, and it will support Chrome and Firefox as well as Safari Edge. So no need to update Postman. It will ask for updation if required. Then setting icon you have to see. So this is, and for Postman navigation, in Postman what we will see, there are so many things you need to see, that is header bar, sidebar, builder and request section and response section. In Postman you can see these four things, and this is the Postman tool. In Postman tool, the first this part is the header section, and then in the second part is the, like in the leftmost side is the sidebar section, and in the this part is the builder section where we'll send the request, any kind of request, and in the last part you can show the output. Here in output part you can see this code, it is perfectly executed or not. Everything you need in the response section you can see the output. So in header section we have so many tabs. Here if you want to create one workspace, then you can create it, or you can invite your colleagues to work with the same Postman. So there are so many features are available in Postman. So as it is internet based, so we have to give, after installing you have to give your Gmail account, email account, so that whatever data we are creating, those will be saved in your like in on web through your Gmail account. So you need to provide that email ID. After that we have left bar sections, we have collections. So before getting any request, if you will send some request, so first create one collection. Under that collection you send request. So for that we have to give authorizations, body part, everything. You for the first time you have to give authorizations, user ID and password. So is collection. In collections you have so many things, like it's a group of data, whatever sending, posting, those data will be stored in collections. So you can create environments to APIs to, and history, whatever requests you will send, those requests will be stored in history for the latter use. So in builder sections you have so many methods, but the most important methods are get, put, post and delete. Get is for to fetch the records, to see what are the records are present in APIs, and to post. Post means which record you want to post, that we need to provide. So for that here you need to select select post, and here URL you have to give, and in the body in raw section you have to give everything inputs as input, that what you want to fetch, like first name, last name, email ID, whatever you can provide, those records those data will be pasted in the output, that is in a response section. So these are all about our features of Postman. Then the last part is sending your first request. So for the first request, get means to retrieve the records as in database, and how select will be used, like select. The here in API get can be used, and in post in database like insert query will be used, like for inserting records. Here post method is used for creating new record. So same features for post. And delete means you have to delete one record, you need to delete one record, then delete method. And put and patch method is for updating records. And the last part is how you will send a fast request. So for the fast request, as I told, here we need to provide one URL. In that URL then we will select methods, and here we give our authorizations, and we need to send. We have to click send, then, and we have to select the JSON format. Here the format is JSON, so everything in Postman is in JSON format, so we have to select those formats as well. Okay, if you like my channel, then please like, share and subscribe. We'll meet you later. So, see you then. Bye bye, take care.